This video is going to take a closer look at effects and how they are used in Illustrator. Now, some time ago, when Photoshop first came into popularity, they started to use filters. And filters allowed you to apply specific style looks to objects using a plugin technology which enabled people to create their own extensions to the existing product. Illustrator also had filters. And these filters were very helpful in being able to expand or extend the program to do things that it initially wasn't able to do. The one downside of filters is that they required a permanent change to the object. Illustrator was the first to introduce effects. Effects essentially are filters that you can remove if you don't like what has happened to the object. So it's not a permanent solution, but only one that is applied and can be changed or edited later at a different time. Effects are so popular now that filters aren't even supported in Illustrator anymore, and everything is done as an effect. Here in the Effect menu, you can find quite a large variety of different effects. These essentially are categorized into effects that are used for Illustrator and effects that do the same things that you can see in Photoshop. We'll start by looking at the Effect Gallery, which opens as a separate interface. Over here on the left, you'll see a preview of the current selected object, along with application of whatever effect is selected. Here in the center panel, you can go through and choose a number of the different effects and see the results here within the preview window. For example, if I use a charcoal effect, I'll get this kind of result. Each of the effects that is available will have different parameters that you can set over here. For example, if I go with the stained glass effect, I can come up here and I can change the cell size. I can change the thickness of the borders. And I can change the light intensity that's used. I can also select all of the different effects here from a drop-down list. So if I want more room to preview my selected object, I can click on this button to hide the effect thumbnails. I can also navigate and change the zoom amount and pan using these tools. The current effect can also be made visible and invisible using the View button here. Once I'm happy with the effect that I have, I can click the OK button to apply that effect to the object in the document window.